In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to apply a vendor credit to an unpaid bill. If you've received a credit from a supplier and want it to reduce what you owe on a specific bill, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do that using the built-in payment workflow in QuickBooks Online. We'll assume you've already recorded the vendor credit for the correct vendor. If that credit exists, applying it to the right bill is quick and clean. Start by opening the Expenses area from the left-hand navigation panel. This is where QuickBooks organizes your spending, including bills, expenses, and vendor activity. Once you're there, switch to the Bills tab. This tab focuses specifically on bills you've entered, and it lets you filter for unpaid items so you're working only with what still needs attention. Find and open the unpaid bill you want to apply the credit to. Make sure you're on the correct vendor and verify the bill date, amount, and any memo details so the credit goes to the right place. When you're ready, choose either Schedule Payment or Mark as Paid. Both options open the payment workflow. Schedule Payment is best if you're using an online payment method and want to time the payment, while Mark as Paid records a manual payment you're handling yourself outside of QuickBooks. In the payment screen, QuickBooks will automatically look for any available vendor credits tied to that same vendor. You'll see the credit listed and available to select. Check the box for the vendor credit you want to apply. As soon as you do, the bill's payment amount updates to reflect the credit. If the credit is larger than the remaining bill amount, the payment portion will drop to zero and the excess credit will stay available for future bills with that vendor. If the credit is smaller, you'll see the adjusted balance due so you can pay the remainder. Before you finish, review the payment date, the payment account, and the total amount being recorded. This helps avoid duplicate payments or misapplied credits. If you're splitting the credit across multiple bills, only apply what you need here and leave the rest for another bill from the same vendor. Complete the payment as you normally would. Once saved, the bill's status will reflect the applied credit. If the credit covered the full balance, the bill shows as paid. If not, you'll see a reduced balance due. That's all. Your vendor credit is now correctly applied to the unpaid bill in QuickBooks Online.